What is IoT? IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to the network of the physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, exchange, and act on data over the Internet. These devices can communicate with each other and with centralized systems, enabling automation and smart decision making. Examples of IoT include smart thermostats that adjust temperature based on your preferences, wearable fitness trackers that monitors health data, and connected home devices like smart lights and security cameras. The goal of IoT is to improve efficiency, convenience, and provide valuable insights through data. So these are the components of IoT. Number 1 is devices, sensors. These are physical objects embedded with sensors or actuators to collect or act on data. For example, a smart fridge might have sensors to monitor temperature, or a monitor system in a smart security system. Number 2 is connectivity. Devices need to connect to the internet or other devices to exchange data. For example, this can be done through various technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, 4G, and 5G. And even low-power networks like LoRaWAN. It means long-range wide area network. Number 3 is data processing or edge computing. Once data is collected, it needs to be processed. This can be done locally at the edge or near the devices or in the cloud. This can be done locally at the edge. Edge computing helps to reduce latency and bandwidth usage by processing data closer to where it's generated. Number 4 is cloud or centralized platforms. The cloud stores, analyzes, and provides insights on the data. It also controls and coordinates the IoT devices. This can be in the form of a platform or a service like AWS IoT, Microsoft Azure IoT, and Google Assistant IoT. Number 5 is user interface. To interact with IoT devices, users typically use a smartphone app, a web interface, or even voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. These are the types of IoT application. Number 1 is smart homes. Devices like smart thermostats, lighting systems, and home security make homes more energy efficient, secure, and convenient. Number 2 is healthcare. Wearables like fitness trackers or medical devices track vital signs or manage patient health in real time, improving health outcomes and providing data for doctors. Number 3 is industrial IoT. Used in factories and manufacturing plants, IoT helps monitor machinery, predict failures, and optimize production processes. Sensors on equipment send data to prevent breakdowns and optimize efficiency. Number 4 is smart cities. IoT is used in traffic management, waste management, street lighting, and monitoring air quality to enhance urban living. For example, smart traffic lights can adjust based on traffic flow and reducing congestions. Number 5 is agriculture. IoT technology can optimize farming practices by using sensors to monitor soil moisture, weather condition, or livestock health, improving crop yield and resource efficiency. Number 6 is retail. IoT can improve customer experiences through smart shelves that alert when inventory is low, or through beacon technology, which helps businesses send personalized offers to customer smartphones. These are the benefits of IoT. Number 1 is automation. Many IoT systems can operate autonomously, reducing the need for manual intervention. For instance, a smart home thermostat adjusts the temperature based on your habits without you needing to make adjustment. Number 2 is efficiency and cost savings. IoT devices can optimize energy consumptions, reduce waste, and increase productivity. A smart energy meter can help monitor electricity usage and suggest ways to save energy. Number 3 is real-time data. IoT devices provide continuous real-time data, enabling better decision-making and faster responses to changes in the environment. For example, in agriculture, real-time data from IoT sensors can help farmers detect crop disease early. Number 4 is predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting of equipment to break down, IoT devices can monitor the condition of the machinery and predict when maintenance is needed, preventing costly repair and downtime. These are the advantages and disadvantages of IoT. This is the advantages. Number 1 is automation and control. IoT allows for the automation of tasks, reducing human intervention. For example, smart homes can automatically adjust the temperature, or security systems based on your preference and behavior. Number 2 is improved efficiency and productivity. IoT enables businesses and individuals to monitor and manage resources more effectively, improving productivity. For example, industrial IoT can monitor machinery to optimize production and reduce downtime. Number 3 is cost savings. By providing insights into resources usage, IoT helps identify inefficiencies. For example, smart meter can optimize energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills. Similarly, predictive maintenance can prevent expensive equipment breakdowns. Number 4 is real-time monitoring and data insights. IoT enables continuous monitoring of environments, equipment, or even health. This provides actionable real-time data which helps in making informed decisions. For example, in healthcare, wearable devices can track vital signs and alert doctors or patients in case of abnormalities. And these are the disadvantages of IoT. Number 1 is security risk. The more devices connected to the internet, the higher the chance of cyber attacks. Poorly secured IoT devices can be vulnerable to hacking, leading to privacy breaches on unauthorized devices. For example, a smart thermostat or camera could be hijacked by malicious actors. Number 2 is privacy concerns. IoT devices collect large amounts of personal data such as your location, health information, and daily habits. If this data is not properly protected or misused, it can lead to significant privacy issues. Number 3 is complexity in integration. Many IoT devices are made by different manufacturers and ensures that all devices can seamlessly interact with each other can be a challenge. Compatibility issues may arise, making it harder for users to integrate multiple devices into one system. This is the conclusion of our topic. In conclusion, IoT or Internet of Things is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us by connecting devices, systems, and people through the internet. Its potential to enhance automation, efficiency, and convenience is vast, enabling smarter homes, businesses, healthcare, industries, and cities. By providing real-time data and insights, IoT allows for better decision-making, cost savings, and improvised resource management. However, IoT also comes with challenges including security risks, privacy concerns, and the complexity of integrating various devices. As IoT technology continues to evolve, addressing these challenges while ensuring interoperability, data security, and privacy will be crucial. The future of IoT is promising, and with the right strategies and safeguards in place, it has the potential to revolutionize nearly every aspect of modern life, leading to more intelligent and sustainable environments. Internet of Things is not just a passing trend, but rather a transformative technology that is reshaping industries, businesses, and everyday life. The interconnected nature of IoT devices enables automation, better resource management, and improved communication across systems. Whatever, it's smart homes that enhance convenience and energy efficiency, healthcare systems that improve patient care, or manufacturing processes that maximize productivity. IoT impact is undeniable. That's all. Thank you.